So, chalo, shall I start teaching you temperature now so that you
Yes,
have...
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me download the file.
Ma'am, what does temperature mean? I know what it is,
Temperature.
but I don't know how to do it. How we can...
Temperature means, Mukund, it could be temperature for any, it could be weather forecast, I mean temperature in relation to...
Ma'am, mostly is weather forecast, right?
Body temperature, something which is very
Yes,
hot,
ma'am.
something which is very
turn
hot.
In thermometer, there is mercury.
Ma'am, in temperature, there's something called as Fahrenheit.
Yes. Yes, there are
Thermometer.
Also called
Celsius. Ma'am, it's called thermometer.
Shall I start now?
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying excuse me, ma'am?
Ma'am, I have got the answer
Ma'am,
of next question after Parul's
ma'am, 1%
question.
of temperature.
I don't even remember the question, Ishan.
Ma'am, before temperature, you are asking to do the 6.3 Parul's question.
Okay, you're
Parul's
talking about that
presentation.
answer. That answer.
No, ma'am. After that question, ईशा वाला क्वेश्चन उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे मिल गया है.
Okay, Ishan, abhi ruko. You can check the answer from the answer key because if I'll go back another 5 minutes it will take. So I'm starting with the topic temperature. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone on mute for 5 minutes at least. Let me speak. You listen. Okay. This is not very difficult, but you will have to understand few things. Have patience and understand few things. You will be doing temperature only for 2 kind of scales because you are only a grade 3 learners. Okay? Temperature is the measure to describe how cold or hot something is. It could be anything, our body temperature, temperature of something which is very cold or very hot, temperature, I mean weather forecast. So it takes care of everything. But how do we calculate temperature? We use thermometer. If I talk about body temperature, we use thermometer. But for other purposes, like to measure something which is very cold or hot, we use clinical thermometers. But they are also kind of thermometers only. But types of thermometers vary. If we talk about body temperature, it is different thermometer. If I talk about like weather forecast, it would be different way. If I talk about something which is very cold or hot, there are clinical thermometers, kinds of clinical thermometers. So if I talk about body temperature, children, the thermometer that we use, you must have seen that certain thermometers, they show you temperature in degrees Celsius.
Yes, ma'am.
There are certain thermometers that show you temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, both the thermometers are correct, but the scale that they use is different. So if I talk about Celsius thermometer, 98.6 is considered as normal body temperature. But if I talk about Fahrenheit scale, I think 37 degree Fahrenheit is the normal temperature.
No, ma'am. 36.5. After that, it says that it's...
No, there is a variation of half degree. No, what do we say? Half degree here and there. I mean, I will tell you that if the thermometer shows anything between 98.1 to 99.1 degrees Celsius, or I can say from 98 to 99 degrees Celsius, it is considered to be normal. Nothing to worry. Similarly, if I talk about Fahrenheit, as you are saying there, I think 36.5 to 37.5 degree Fahrenheit is considered normal. It is all written in this sheet.
Yes, ma'am. 37.5. After that, it says that fever. I have that kind of temperature.
If you look on this thermometer below, do you see this degree C written over here? Degree C.
Yes, ma'am.
So it says this thermometer is showing the temperature of 20 because the red line is going up till 20. So we say that this thermometer is showing temperature of 20 degrees Celsius.
Ma'am?
Yes, Mukund?
Ma'am, what is an average person's temperature?
Acha, if I consider degree Celsius scale, it is 98.6. If I consider Fahrenheit scale, it is 37 degree Fahrenheit. Both are normal temperatures.
Okay, ma'am.
Scale differs. Okay, so see, it is showing here that degree Celsius is used in most of the countries, whereas degree Fahrenheit is used in US. It doesn't matter, even in India, I have seen both kind of thermometers. So I don't go by this. But I'm looking for one thing before I explain you all this. Is it written over here? No, it is not given in this sheet of yours. Never mind. I'll cross-check it from the other data I have. I remember this very well, that 37 degree Fahrenheit is normal temperature, a normal body temperature, and 98.6 degrees Celsius is normal body temperature. Now, both the scales are given to you. Degree Celsius also and degree Fahrenheit also. At some point, their temperature becomes equal. Measure will be different. If I talk about boiling water, water is boiling. And if I measure it using Celsius scale, it is showing me 100 degrees Celsius. Using a Celsius scale, I'm talking about. But the same thing in Fahrenheit scale is showing 212 degree Fahrenheit. I'm using two different kind of scales, putting it in the same boiling water. Celsius scale shows 100 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit scale shows 212 degree Fahrenheit. That means they both are equal. They are sharing the equal temperature, though they are using different scales. I will explain how. There are formulas to explain everything. But right now, note down that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Note this down. This is very important. And this is the temperature of boiling water.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
100 degree Celsius is equal to how much?
Writing. I'm writing. See, I'm writing here. Just copy that down. For boiling water, 100 degrees. Okay, degree sign I can't insert in this while I'm writing here. So you people put degree sign is equal to.
And how is the degree sign?
Degree sign is this one. बच्चा ये देखो छोटा सा circle बना हुआ है.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll draw it here. Oh, draw तो करने दो भाई. यहाँ पे. See, this is degree. Circle, small circle. This. So for boiling water, 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Same thing happens. Suppose the water is freezing. Again, I am inserting both the thermometers in the same freezing water. So when I check with degree Celsius, it shows the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. When it is very cold outside, the temperature goes even in minus. Yes, isn't it?
Ma'am, I have one question. Yes, ma'am. The polar bears live in the -2 Celsius.
Correct. So it depends. What?
I have a question.
Yes, Kian.
So 112 Fahrenheit is equal to, 112 Celsius is equal to 1 Fahrenheit.
Bacha, wo for that, Kian, I will be telling you formulas. Right now, note down this. I'm going on to formulas, how to calculate. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
But I am telling you that 100 degrees Celsius is.
Ma'am, what is this?
I am telling you that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit, and 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So note down these two things.
Ma'am, what is this? That you are.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. Could you repeat?
Sure,
Ma'am, Kian is doing some drawings.
I know.
No, I am asking what.
I'm writing here, Kian. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 35 degree Fahrenheit. This is what I am writing.
No, this.
Oh, this whole thing is gone. Oh God, what have I done?
You mean
Ma'am, written something like
Celsius.
this. What is that? A diamond like
0 degrees Celsius
0 degree Celsius.
Oh, that is 0.
is equal to 30.
Your 0 is also looking like mine 0 only.
That's what I was asking. What have you written?
This is what I wrote.
Ma'am, I already wrote that.
Okay. Kian is not able to understand, so I'm writing it again. 0 degree Celsius, 32 degree Fahrenheit. I don't know why.
Okay, I understood.
Understood? Fine. Okay. Now, shall I prove it to you using the formula how 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit, or either any which way I can do. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. See, there are two. Yes. Yes, Bacha, somebody was saying it's
Then when temperature go down, it means it is cold, and when temperature goes up, it means it is hot.
correct. When temperature goes up, positive temperature goes up, it means it is very hot. When temperature goes below 0 degree, that means it is very, very cold. Yes, you are right, Ishan. When temperature goes down, it is cold. When it goes up, it is hot. Okay, now there are certain formulas given to us that if I have to change degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, I will divide whatever I have in degree Celsius by 5, then multiply by 7, and then add 32. You'll have to remember.
Multiply by 9.
See, look here.
Mama, it's multiply by 9, not 7.
Okay, multiply by 9. Sorry. Suppose I have 100 degrees Celsius. Shall I convert it to degree Fahrenheit? Shall we do it?
Okay.
Okay, chalo do it. First step is divide by 5. What will I get if I divide it by 20? Then multiply 20 with 9. What will I get?
180.
180. Add 32 to 180. What will I get?
112.
Galat.
100.
Wrong. It cannot be 102. You people do blunders. You are
212.
correct.
Ma'am, I had said 100 first. I said 112 first.
And if you add 32 to 180, how can the number go below 180?
Oh,
Is logic. Okay. So this is how 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. I told you, na, note it down. They both are equal. And
I'll take some time to note these down.
no problem. Now change.
Can we note this somewhere?
Now do one thing for me. Change. Let me tell you. 0 degrees is equal to how many Fahrenheit? What did I tell?
32 degrees Fahrenheit.
32 Fahrenheit.
Hello. Change 32 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Let's see what happens. If I subtract 32 from 32, what will I get?
0. And 0.
Multiply 0 by 5, what will I get?
Zero.
And if I divide 0 by 9, what will I get?
Zero.
Answer is zero, ma'am.
Impossible.
Answer is zero.
Answer is 0. So that is why 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degree Celsius.
I'm doing it.
No problem. Do it. Hence proof.
Shall we note this down over anywhere?
What there?
Shall we note this down in
No, you will have to mug up this formula. I mean, these two formulas you'll have to remember by heart because there is a lot of confusion. So these two formulas, before you sit for Olympiad exam, make sure you write them in front of you so that you can do the calculation quickly.
Ma'am, I have note down.
Okay. This is available in the reading material, which you can access. This is available there. Okay, so now all the questions on temperature, the same way you will do the questions on temperature. Either they will ask you to change from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit or from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Either which way. Formulas are there with you. You just have to apply them.
Ma'am, now?
Now, what? No, not now. This is homework.
Now what do we have to do?
Now you have to do is that you will finish all the questions that are not done in the class of 6.2, all the questions of 6.3, including temperature questions before we meet for the next class on Saturday.
And ma'am, what about the 6.1?
6.1 is done. There are no temperature questions. Are there any? Let me check.
There are.
Ma'am,
There are temperature questions.
Temperature questions are there, then those also.
And we did till 8 and then we did till question 8 and now there are like 12 or 15 questions.
10, 11, 12, and 30.
Oh, those questions are hardly 5 minutes job. Hello, nothing is there in that. Very simple. Okay, listen to me. Leave question number 9 of sheet 6.1. I will be doing it with you on Saturday. Okay, question number 9 you can leave. Question number 10, 11 and 12 is hardly a 5-minute job.
Ma'am,
Leave 5 minutes.
what is the time control?
No time control, Kian. The answers should be absolutely right. There should be no wrong answer of time. Because in paper, there are many questions on time. So make sure that your time topic is very, very strong. It has to be. So on Kian, gandi baatein nahi kya karo. Okay. Now, that's why I say Kian is super naughty now. And he got that medal also for super naughty. Yes. Okay. 6.1. Temperature question number 10, 11, 12, 6.2 and 6.3. Any question that you find difficult to solve, whether time or temperature, you can keep it as classwork for Saturday. Once we finish all the questions on time and temperature on Saturday, then we will start with the last topic, which is geometry. And is there anyone in the class who checked, do you have access to Olympiad?
Ma'am, I know geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did in class 2.
Do you have access to last 10 years Olympiad papers? Is there anybody who checked?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then please check it before you join the class on Saturday, that whether you have access or not, because I have a tutor.
Oh, ma'am, what did you just say? Because I was unable to understand it. I was doing Olympiad the first time. This is my first Olympiad.
What do we need access for?
Can I repeat myself, Mukund and Kian? Okay. I'm saying wherever you check your chapters or whatever options you have on left from where you click on live classes, you have to check, do you have access to previous 10-year papers of mathematics Olympiad of 3 or
10 years? or
Previous 10 years. 10 years. Okay, whether you have access to previous 5-year papers or 8-year papers or 10 years papers, you just cross check. Why am I asking you to cross check? Yes.
in olympiadsuccess.com?
Yes, Mukund. In olympiadsuccess.com using your user ID and password. The way
User ID and password. It comes the subject and I click Maths Olympiad, then it shows what all are there. Then when I click the subject, it comes practice questions, answer keys.
so in that check that are there any Olympiad papers? I will also check. You people also check.
Yes, ma'am. Where will we find 10 years ago, 8 years ago, 5 years ago?
Acha boy, Bobby, it will be there in the material which is uploaded for you.
Ma'am, earlier. In which name?
Maybe by the name of 5 years or 10 years papers like that.
Okay. Ma'am.
By the name of those many years papers. I will also check. I will check with Olympiad Success.
Repeat one last time. I didn't understand.
Acha, Kian, leave it. I'll check it for you. Leave it. Forget it. I'll check and I'll tell you. Yes, Dhairya?
Ma'am, actually, I've seen earlier when only me and my mother did it. We used to take in Olympiad class the test paper, so we used it to be confused. So our dad told us well study. So when we made the error, sometimes whatever it said that exams, some exam thing happened.
Yeah, I am sure papers are there, but we will have to check. I'll check it and I'll let you know where it is.
Ma'am, show you my drawing.
So when we started the Olympiad sheets, Olympiad success sheets.
Yeah, and I'll check and let you know. Even I have no idea. I have it on my mail, but I will check and let you know. Okay, otherwise I'll get it uploaded for you people. Very nice boy, Bobby.
Ma'am, this is drawing.
Beautiful.
Ma'am, how to sign in for Olympiad paper?
But Zaira, I will check. I will check and let you know on Saturday. Okay, I'll find it out.
I'll do the
I'll
paper
show you.
for one. Ma'am, shall we do 2 papers besides?
Yes, we will start that practice there once we finish the course.
Okay, ma'am.
Only show the practice questions and answer keys. Nothing else. 10 years questions.
Okay, fine. Then I'll ask Olympiad people to put it there for you people.
Ma'am, I will share screen and show.
Hey, that's okay, Mukund. Leave it, leave it. I have to cross-check with Olympiad Success people too, that whether it is uploaded or whether it is yet to be uploaded. Very nice, very beautiful. Chalo, then I'm going to end this session. Very nice, boy, Bobby. That's beautiful. I will see you people now on Saturday. Make sure you finish this topic of time and temperature and be ready with if any doubts in the class. Okay? We'll solve
You
those.
forgot to ask the sketch, ma'am.
Ishan, when will my sketch be ready? Ishan, the classes बना भी रहे हो?
Class is about to be.
हाँ, ईशान मेरा sketch दे देना मुझे.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will.
Ma'am,
नहीं, you have another week also. That's okay. No, don't take it too seriously. You have another week, more than that time. अभी तो हमारे पास days हैं, classes हैं. But make sure you are working.
Ma'am, you have 9 more classes. A screenshot of it. Ma'am, do you have 9 more classes or 5 more?
I don't know, not 5 more. We have more than 5.
9 classes, I think.
I also think so. I think 9 classes. I will check. Okay? Chalo now. See you on Saturday. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.